Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you.
Aryan Khan case. Aryan Khan likely to walk out of jail by noon. SRK leaves Mannat to receive son. Mumbai Cruise drug bust case. The Bombay High Court granted bail to Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son, Aryan Khan, and two others, Arbaz Marchant and Munmun Dhamecha, in connection with the Mumbai Cruise drug bust case on Thursday, October 28. However, the bail papers did not reach the Arthur Road jail by the deadline of 5:30 on Friday, and therefore the Aryan Khan had to spend another night in the prison. He will most likely be released today morning. The court issued a detailed bail order on Friday. The bail condition imposed on Aryan includes a prohibition on leaving the country without prior permissions of the NDPS court. He has been asked to surrender his passport to the court. Stay with India Today for the latest updates. The Bombay High Court granted Aryan Khan's as well as Arbaz Marchant and Munmun Dhamecha's bail. The conditions which are given: person bond of ₹1 lakh, no foreign travel without prior permit from NDPS court, passport to be surrendered, can't leave Mumbai without informing investigating officer, no communication with co-accused in the case, no statement to media on case proceedings, must attend court on all dates, NCB office every Friday to mark his presence, join investigation whenever asked, trial should not be delayed, shall not indulge in similar offence, must not tamper with evidence, no action which is prejudicial, bail cancellation if condition violated. PM Modi to hold one-to-one meeting with Pope Francis in Vatican City ahead of G20 summit. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is on a two-day visit to Rome to attend the 16th G20 summit, will hold a one-on meeting with Pope Francis at the Vatican City on Saturday. This comes ahead of the delegations level talks, during which PM Modi and Pope Francis are expected to discuss a range of areas of interest in terms of general global perspectives and issues such as COVID-19. While briefing on the details of the Prime Minister engagements in Italy, Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan Shringla told reporters on Friday, the Prime Minister will have a separate call. We will be meeting His Holiness on a one-on-one basis, and that could, after a certain period of time, be followed up by delegations level talk. Shringla said the Vatican has not set any agenda for the talks. I believe tradition is not to have an agenda when you discuss issues with His Holiness, and I think we respect that. I am sure that issues that will be covered will cover a range of areas of interest in terms of general global perspectives and issues that are important to all of us, he added. During my visit to Italy, I will also visit the Vatican City to call on His Holiness Pope Francis and meet Secretary of State, His Eminence Cardinal Pietro Parolin, PM Modi said. From Rome, the Prime Minister will travel to Glasgow, the UK, at the invitation of the Prime Minister Boris Johnson. Puneet Rajkumar dies, Kannada star to be cremated with full state honours on Sunday. Power star Puneet Rajkumar passed away at the age of 46 on Friday. He died after suffering a heart attack. The sudden demise of the Puneet Rajkumar has left many in shock. From politicians to celebrities, everyone has mourned the loss of Kannada star. The mortal remains of Puneet Rajkumar reached his home in Bangalore, Sadashivangar. He will be cremated with the full state honours on Sunday. His fans will be able to bid a final goodbye to him at the Kanthirava Studios in Bangalore on Sunday. Arrangements are already underway at the stadium for Sunday's funeral ceremony. Meanwhile, the Karnataka government has issued an alert for all departments, the police and district authorities to heighten security in anticipation of a law and order situation in state. Scores of fans of Puneet Rajkumar gathered outside the Vikram Hospital in Bangalore, where the actor was taken after he suffered a heart attack. Puneet Rajkumar suffered a heart attack on Friday morning. Initially, he had gone to local clinic and got an ECG done. The result confirmed that he was having a heart attack. While he was on his way to Vikram Hospital, he suffered a heart attack.
Zero Vision, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.